Unreal Tournament, Crackdown 3, Crackdown 3, Unravel 2, Unravel 2, Fortnite, Fortnite, Trials Rising, Trials Rising, Dead or Alive 6, Dead or Alive 6, State of Decay 2, Home Zone, Home Zone, Overcooked 2, Overcooked 2, Monster Hunter World, Monster Hunter World, The Crew 2, The Crew 2, League of Legends, League of Legends, Dragon Ball FighterZ, Dragon Ball FighterZ, Tom Clancy's The Division 2, Tom Clancy's The Division 2, Anthem, Anthem, A Way Out, Forza Horizon 4, Star Wars Squadrons, Far Cry New Dawn, Soulcalibur VI, Battlefield V, Battlefield V, ARMA 3, ARMA 3, Super Mario Party, Super Mario Party, Apex Legends, Apex Legends, Fallout 76, Team Fortress 2, Team Fortress 2, Titanfall 2, Titanfall 2, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Call of Duty Black Ops EI, Call of Duty Black Ops EI, Red Dead Redemption Roman 2, Red Dead Redemption Roman 2, Rocket League, Rocket League, Destiny 2, Destiny 2, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, Overwatch, Overwatch, Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege, Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate,
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.